AY with another great review for you. Tonight we're reviewing the 24/7 Viz Reflective Running Vest. The vest itself is made out of a very highly reflectable yellow color, along with these reflective stripes on the gray there. So that's going to be really good for when we go running / walking outside. Haven't decided whether I'm running or jogging yet, but it is the holidays, so we're getting back into it. But it fits really well on your body, especially if you're running, at least more than enough ample arm room to swing your arms. And it attaches on both sides with a big strip of Velcro. Now, I'm used to using a reflective vest, if you will, but it's more of a construction variety. So I'm actually really excited that I got this one for jogging and running, because I think it's going to work better. The other one was a little constrictive when you swung your arms out. So I'm hoping that this works better. And again, you just put it over your head and you attach these two Velcro straps. Another welcome feature of the vest is if you look underneath the front of it, it has a zippered compartment. The zipper definitely works and you can store anything you want in it. I do not like having stuff around me when I'm jogging. I just have my cell phone and that's it. But it's there if you need it. To put the vest on, you're going to look for where the tag is. This is a large, extra large, by the way. I wanted a little extra room just in case I wanted to wear some bulkier materials on top, seeing that it is winter. So we have that towards the back. We're just going to put our head in the hole that's provided, and then you just take the straps on each side. Make sure that they're not twisted. You're just going to Velcro them to the side. Again, they leave enough space here so that if you have a heavy winter coat that you're jogging with or working with, you can fit this right on there. And it fits snug to whatever you want. Again, controlled by the Velcro sides, or the hook and loop as we call it. Controlled by the hook and loop sides, it makes it so it conforms to your body and it's not going to shift anywhere. Unlike my old reflective vest, which would move up and down whenever I was jogging. So I really like that it's snug and it's going to stay in place. Now for tonight's walk, maybe jog, not sure. I'm going to wear the 24/7 Viz Reflective Vest along with the RODH running lights. It'll be double the safety out there. It's very dark. Again, it's winter, so it gets dark faster. So before the 24/7 Viz Reflective Vest, I used to use this, and it worked. There was no problems with it, but it would bounce up and down. There's a lot more open areas, and it would ride up a little bit. Whereas the 24/7 Viz Reflective Vest stays right where it's supposed to be, and the Velcro makes it a lot more comfortable than this thing bobbing up and down on you all night long while you're jogging. So as you can clearly see, the vest is definitely reflective. This is just the light from my cell phone, and I've had about 4 cars pass me. No problems in seeing me at all. It's doing an awesome job. I had the RODH light on too, but I wanted to show you what it looked like without it. And again, that's just with cell phone light from the screen. So highly reflective, no problem at all. I just got done jogging a mile, and we're doing very good. Very highly reflective vest. Cars have constantly moved over for me while I'm jogging. So I do highly recommend this. And the biggest thing is I hadn't shifted at all. It stayed right up my waist, no problem. So it works even better than the old vest I had, which again was much more like a construction vest. So I highly recommend this for jogging or walking, or even if you just want to be seen visibly at night, this is the vest for you. Now to show you the running vest, I have my car on with the headlights on. I'll be about 20 feet away, so here we go. That's how reflective it is with car headlights. So as far as the 24/7 Viz Reflective Running Vest, it's an excellent buy. Stays snug, stays on you, doesn't climb up, and does a fantastic job. All cars swayed out of my way when they saw it. So I would consider this an awesome buy if you are a jogger or a walker, or even if you just want to be seen at night somewhere, maybe you're camping. If you'd like to purchase your 24/7 Viz Reflective Running Vest, please look for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon where you can purchase your very own, Every purchase will help support the Eric DIY channel. We appreciate all your support. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all you do for us. Thank you and have a great night. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.